Ethan here with Mill Creek. Come on down, this is day 2 of our geothermal. We got Landon and Sean over here getting ready to 4-piece the return and the clean effects. Come along nicely. Figured out that our existing kind of custom radius here is not going to fit. Sean over here 4-piecing kind of a custom radius to connect from our air cleaner up here to our return.
Wrapping up day 2. Flow center put in, the return all wrapped up, the clean air effects put in, and then some custom duct work.